Hey class! By now you should have completed the Nearpod learning about human characteristics of a place, and now you're going to design your own place to live. I would like you to watch this whole video. We will go over the directions and I will also give you some more information that will help you with this assignment. You have learned that a place or a location is changed by humans and their characteristics. When humans live in a place, they add features that are made by and for humans, like your house. Human characteristics of a place make it possible for humans to live there. Human characteristics of a place can include bridges, buildings, cities, parks, buildings again, highways, roads, trains, houses, apartment buildings, schools, places of worship, stores, and other man-made things. As more humans move to a place, they need to add support systems so that more people can live there. I want to show you some pictures of how some cities have changed over time. So here's a picture of Dubai. It's a city far, far away in the United Arab Emirates. This was taken 22 years ago in the year of 2000. Looking at this picture, do you think many people lived there? Not many. There's a lot of open space. However, a lot of people moved there, and this is what it looks like now. Wow. They have added buildings, very tall buildings, to accommodate or have space for a lot of people. There are roads. There are boats. I bet there are stores for people to shop. As people moved here, they had to create space for humans to live. Here's another picture of Seoul, South Korea. This picture was taken around 1900, so 122 years ago. There are some buildings here, but this is what it looks like today. Wow. Let's take another before and after picture. They have added so many buildings, roadways, there might be trains in here. Here's another picture from Lithuania. We can see that people live here, but this is what it looks like today. Wow. They have added a park, a bridge, roads. You can see that some of the buildings remain the same, but they've added more buildings for people to live in, to shop in, to learn in, many other places to support the humans that live there. Your job today is to make your own place. You have a couple different options. If you want to use your iPad, you can open this picture and use the drawing tool or typing tool with emojis to add your own human characteristics of a place to the picture to create your own place. I'd like you to add at least 5 things that would make this place habitable or turn it into a place that you would live. If you want to use your iPad, you'll click this button to see the beautiful place that you will live in. Alright, so this was what I started with. I used the drawing tool and I made a home with a sidewalk. I also used the emoji tool, which I need to do a little bit of work on. If you want to use emojis to add to your landscape, you can click on type. I'm going to add something up here. And I'll click the emoji button And here on the bottom, really easily, you can see things that would include human characteristics of a place. So, transportation, cars, buildings. You might want to add people, a zoo, something that humans would enjoy. So one option is to add your own human characteristics to this place. If you would rather draw or paint your own place, you can do that as well and upload a picture, or you can send it to me in a message. So your job, again, is to create your own place using this landscape or a picture of your own, and add at least 5 human characteristics like buildings, homes, stores, schools, places of worship, etc., that would make it a place that you would like to live.